In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Printify to Shopify with this simple and easy guide. Setting up your online store and connecting the right services is crucial to running a smooth e-commerce operation. And by the end of this tutorial, you'll have your Shopify account linked with Printify ready to fulfill orders efficiently. Let's get started. First things first, you'll want to open your Shopify account and navigate to your store's dashboard. Find and click on My Store. From the drop-down, you'll want to select Orders and then locate order number 1003 on your list. This is just a reference point to illustrate that you're in the right section of your Shopify admin area, so you know you're on the right track. This area is your hub for managing all store orders, whether fulfilled manually or through integration with print-on-demand services like Printify. Next, you need to add the necessary application that links Shopify with Printify, and you can do this by clicking the Add button. Adding applications in Shopify is a straightforward process, and it opens a plethora of functionalities to enhance your online store. Once you click Add, a menu will guide you towards the Shopify App Store. In the Shopify App Store, which is essentially the service marketplace for adding features to your store, you should type in Printify in the search bar. This step is vital as Printify is one of the most popular print-on-demand platforms directly integrated into Shopify, allowing seamless order processing and fulfillment. Once the search results populate, locate Printify, Print on Demand, and click on it. This option should be at or near the top, as it's specifically designed for Shopify and known for its versatility in handling custom orders. After you've selected Printify, the next step is to click on the Install button. This will initiate the installation process, prompting Shopify to prepare the Printify application for use with your store. It typically asks for necessary permissions to access your store's information, so ensure that you grant them, as these permissions are essential for Printify to manage product orders and updates. Once you've clicked through and confirmed the installation, you'll navigate back to your Shopify Apps section to finalize the integration. Click on Sign Up on Login within the Printify app. If you already have a Printify account, you can sign in. If not, you'll create one during this step. Printify needs this linkage to your Shopify account to start processing your store's orders efficiently. By following these steps, you successfully connect your Shopify store with Printify, streamlining the workflow from order reception to fulfillment. This connection empowers you to scale your print-on-demand operations effectively while maintaining the integrity and efficiency of your e-commerce business. Thank you for tuning into today's tutorial, and be sure to like, subscribe, and comment below with any questions or suggestions for future topics.